Good day, Kaplete Carriers. I'm Vincent Malagura, and
I am Ian Benedict M. Lagura.
I'm here to report about recommended structure of watertight bulkheads in shape as per solar regulation. The construction of watertight bulkheads in shape is governed by the SOLAS, International Convention of the Safety of Life at Sea, regulation to ensure safety and survivability in case of flooding. Here's summarized guide based on SOLAS as of the latest version up to 2024. Number 1. Purpose of watertight bulkheads: to compartmentalize the whole so that flooding in one compartment does not endanger the ship. To provide buoyancy and stability by limiting the spread of water ingress. Number 2. SOLAS requirements, mainly under Chapter 2. 1. Construction, subdivision, and stability. A. Number and location. Passenger ships must have a minimum number of watertight bulkheads based on the length of the ship. Cargo ship must have a conclusion bulkheads and additional bulkheads as necessary of subdivision. Conclusion bulkheads required not less than 5% and more than 8% of the length from the forward perpendicular. After bulkheads required at the stern. B. Construction standard must be constructed of approved steel of equivalent material. Must be continuous and watertight from the bottom of the ship up to bulkhead's deck. Should be efficiently stiffened to withstand water pressure under flooding condition.
C. Waterlight integrity. Penetration, pipes, cables, and etc. must be filled with waterlight glands or sleeves. Access doors and hatch must be waterlight and self-closing with indications to show open-closed status. Openings with bulkheads below the bulkhead deck should be kept to a minimum and be filled with waterlight means of closure. So, D. Testing. All waterlight bulkheads must undergo pressure testing. How test of equivalent during the construction to confirm integrity. E. Subdivision load line compliance. Ship must meet damage stability criteria based on the probabilistic or deterministic approach depending on the type and date of build. Degree of subdivision is determined by factor of subdivisions R depending on the ship length and passenger capacity. 3. Modern enhancements used for double bottom and side shells of added safety. Monitoring system for bulkheads, door status, and leakage detection. So, that's all. Thank you.